How to set a liquid glass icon on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap hold on your home screen until the apps starts to jiggle. You will then see the edit option on the top left of your screen. Tap on the edit option and in the menu that appears, tap on the customize option you see there. Now at the bottom, you will see the option for clear, so go ahead and tap on the clear option. And with this, as you can see, the apps on your home screen appears as liquid glass. You can also change the liquid glass effect to light, dark, or auto based on your preference, as you can see here on the screen. So this is how you can set liquid glass icon on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.